The Raxiom Raptor style grille light kit is designed for the 15 to 17 XL and XLT F-150s, and it's an easy way to change up the front look of your rig with some LED running lights that closely resemble the Ford Raptor's own lights. You don't have to change out your entire grille, unlike some of the other kits that include these lights. The light kit is pre-cut, so it fits without any cutting or prep work, and the amber LEDs are color matched to the actual Raptor's light bar as well as the rest of your truck's amber lights. This is a plug-and-play design that I'll be giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, with an install time of about 30 minutes. The 3 LEDs are mounted on a machined aluminum bracket, which is then powder coated to protect against corrosion and all the elements. The black bracket will blend in for a clean look, and we'll also use the existing studs that are located behind the top of the grille for an easy install. A plug-and-play design at just under 90 bucks is a great alternative compared to buying an entire Raptor style replacement grille just to get these lights. A complete grille is going to come in at right around 250 bucks, and the options go up from there. This is the most affordable way to get a little bit of that style without the cost and the install time. These amber LEDs are color matched to your truck's current lights, and they are DOT approved in all 50 states. They're protected inside a clear housing that is sealed to be 100% waterproof. Making these work requires no guesswork or switches either. The kit functions with your daytime running lights, so you have full control over them with your dashboard's factory light toggle. Switching gears to the install. This is a plug-and-play kit that has no drilling or cutting required, and I'm going to be giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and expect it to take about 30 minutes to complete. The only tools you'll need are a ratchet and socket set. Now I'm going to be handing it over to one of our installers who are going to walk you through the best steps to get this installed.
With a pry tool, we're going to remove the 10 push pins on the radiator cover. You can now remove the radiator cover. Next, we're going to remove the 4 large push pins on the top portion of the grille. Next, we need to remove the 2 10mm nuts located behind the rubber flap right here. So we're going to pop this push pin off first. And if you reach back in here, you can feel the nut. You want to make sure that you push in on the grill so you only take the nut out and not the stud. We're going to repeat the same thing for this side. Using the provided string, we're going to attach one end to the mounting bracket, and then attach the other end to the other side of the mounting bracket. And And this is gonna help us drop the light down into place. So what we wanna do is turn this sideways, hold on to the string, pull out on the grill, and just work itself down in there. Fish my wire in here and get it out of the way. Okay. We're gonna get the light to sit right under the two mounting tabs, sandwich it in there. And once you think you've got it in place, you can just take a razor knife and cut the string off. Once you got the grill light in place, you're gonna mount it with the 4 big push pins that you removed previously. And the center 2 are what is gonna hold the light. Now we can start putting back in all the push pins that we removed previously. Next we can put our 2 10mm nuts back on to secure the grill. Alright, and we can put this push pin right back in. Next we're gonna run our wire over to our side marker light. And keep in mind that you do have flaps behind your grill that move, so away from the flaps if at all possible. All right. Put our extra wire down in there. Now we can unplug our marker light. And we can plug in our new Y adapter. Next, we can put our radiator cover back in place. And reinstall our 10 push pins. Once you've reinstalled all your push pins, you can turn your lights on, check the grill light, make sure it works, and your installation is complete.
As you can see, this is a very easy install that you can do at home with just a bit of free time. And that's going to wrap up my review of Raxiom's Raptor Style Extra Large Grill Light Kit, which you can check out right here at AmericanTrucks.com.